Hiya everyone, so today I have got an exciting video and this is the Rehab advent calendar to unbox for you guys. I've never ever unboxed this. This is the first time they have ever done this advent calendar. This is, well, it wasn't originally Stacey Solomon's brand, but Stacey Solomon invested in this brand. As you guys know, I love Stacey Solomon. And yeah, it's 25 days of rehab. I know, I've read after that it's quite a small, like the items inside is a small advent calendar. It works out because it's, I think it was £26 and it's a 25 day and it works out about £1.4 a day. So it's very minimum cost per day, but I have kind of seen what is in and I'm not sure how I feel. But we're going to unbox it anyways. I love the packaging, very much their brand, vice versa, and it's, we'll just unbox it and we'll see what we think of it. And anyways, this is it. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and we're just gonna like unfasten it from the side and we'll see what the little doors look like because I haven't actually even looked. And this is what it looks like here. So it's tiny little push through doors and we're just going to start. So remember, it's like £1 something a day. It's very small. And we have got day number 1. So day number 1 is 1 capsule. It doesn't tell you what it is. You're literally getting this capsule on that day. I know on the back it does, but yeah, and you'll see everything. You know? So we've getting 1 little silver grey capsule in day number 1. It doesn't tell you what it is. I will look on the back and find out what the grey capsules are. So this is a facial oil. So we've gotten our first little facial oil. I mean, I'm excited about trying it, but I definitely think, like, I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. But it's there anyways. Yeah. So we want day number 2, which is a little bit bigger of a day. So hopefully a better day. Right. Oh, we've got a massive one. This is a big capsule. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Let's see what this one is. I think on the back of the doors they should have said this. So this is the Door Sleep Body Oil. So this is a body oil. I'm excited about this, to be honest. Yeah. I do think like we shouldn't be having to look on the back, but I do. I'm quite excited about that one, to be honest. So that was day number 2. We want day number 3, which is here. Right, we've got another little capsule again. I think everything is these capsules though, that's what I was on about. So this is a matte lilac one, and these are the Sleep Serum Hair Oil, which I love a good hair oil in any ways, I really do. And I've actually used the hair oils from this brand, so that's what made me want to buy this. But she does lots of other things like lash serums, body shimmer sprays, hair perfumes, hair brushes, stuff like that. And I kind of bought it on a whim, thinking, oh, it'll have like mix of everything. But then when I came, I seen that it was like the oils. So that was day number 3. We went to day number 4, which is here. So we have got a green one. What is day number 4? This is the Dose Zero Matcha Scalp Oil. So this is a matcha scalp oil. So that is canny, because that is something like I've never used a scalp oil. Have any of you used a scalp oil? Let me know. We want day number 5, which is up here. We have got another like matte lilac one, which is it's the Sleep Hair Serum. So it says, use on dry or damp hair before bed 1 to 2 times per week. And it's like a mini treatment for your hair. So that's 5. We want day number 6, which is here. We have got a like beigey one. I mean, if you really wanted to try the oils, this is the way to do it. This is the Dose 2.0 High Shine Finishing Hair Oil. And I'm sure this is like the ones that I've used. I'm sure I've got like a tub of these. And I got these as Christmas gifts once for my family. So that's 6 with 7, which is another big one, which is exciting because we like a bigger door. We always like a bigger door. Oh, right. So this is a bronzy colour one. So let's see what this is then. So this bronzy colour one is the Dose Glow body oil. So I wonder if they've put the body oil that they have with the shimmer in like this for us to try. It says your party season essential with a flattering golden shimmer. It's perfect finishing touch to any look. Oh, that's exciting. That I will definitely like use soon. I'm excited about that. So that was day number 7. We went day number 8, which is another little one here. And we have got a matte nude oil. I think this is the normal hair oil, the Dose 1.0 hair oil. This is the Dose that started all our best selling hair oil. So this is the one that I've definitely tried. And that was 8. We want 9, which is another bit bigger of a door. And we have got a large one, but in this peach shade, like a peachy shade. And this is the Dose Hydrate Body Oil, our super-sized dose to boost your body care with essential hydration and nourishments. So I do like a body oil. I'm quite a dry skin girl, so I do like a body oil, so I'm not going to complain about that. So that's 9. We went to day number 10, which is up here. Oh, this one is such a pretty little capsule. Right, what are you? So I think this is the Split End Saviour Hair Oil. Oh, I need a bit of that. I suffer terrible with split ends. I've not long had my hair cut, but yeah, that smells lovely. You can actually smell that. You can smell that capsule. So that's 10. We want 11, which is this one here. Oh, we have got another lilac one. Was this the night oil? Yeah, so that was the, oh, I don't know, it's a lighter lilac. So this is the, it's the hair oil in the exclusive fig scent. Oh, that does smell nice. That does actually smell nice. Was that 11? Yeah, 11. We want day number 12, which is here, which is like a peachy white one, which I think is the Dose 2.0 High Shine Finishing Hair Oil. That was 12. We want day number 13. We've got another matcha one. We want 14, which is another big one. We like the big ones. I like the big ones, a bit bigger. We have got a big green one. Right, what are you? This is the Energize Body Oil. Time to recharge and restore dull, dry skin for a brighter, renewed glow. Okay, I'll take that. Ooh. We want day number 15, which is here. We've got a little silver one. Was this the facial serum? I can't remember. Face oil, yeah. We want day number 16, which is another bigger one. We have got the lilac, a lilac one again. What was that again? The Sleep Body Oil, which I'm very excited about. I'm very excited about that. Right, that was 16. We went 17, this little one in this bottom corner. It's another lilac one, which is the nighttime hair serum. That was 17. We went day number 18, which is up here, which is a matte lilac one, but lighter shade, a lighter shade. And this is the exclusive fig scent one, hair oil. That was 18. And we want day number 19, which is here. And we've got another like matte peachy one, which is the High Shine Finishing Hair Oil. Day number 20, which is up here. We've got another gold one. What was this again? I love the packaging. This one smells beautiful. Split End Hair Saviour. It smells gorgeous, that. Like, smells and really looks. 121, which is here. The hair oil one, the original hair oil. 122, which is the facial oil because it's a sour one. 23, which is here, which was this is the original hair oil, isn't it? Yep. No, this is like this shiny one. 24, the day before, the last day, it's a larger one. And we have got another one of the bronzy shimmer ones. Oh, it smells so nice. Honestly, they all smell beautiful. I can't fault the way they smell. And then 25, so we get 25 days. And this is a large day, so we're feeling like we're getting a full product, full like size, and we are. So that's something, because this is not too expensive of a calendar. This is the Toasted Marshmallow Edition hair oil. So that's exciting, isn't it? That is really exciting. Toasted Marshmallow Edition hair oil. Let's have a sniff. That smells absolutely unreal. Like, honestly, it smells unreal. I wish you could smell it. But yeah, that is the Toasted Marshmallow hair oil. And that is our last day. Honestly, if I knew what we were going to get, just because it's just little capsules, I probably wouldn't have purchased this, if I'm being honest. I will use all these products, like I will try and use all of them up because I've bought it, and they're stuff that I'm interested in, but they're just so little in that. And honestly, it's quite a cheap advent calendar, so I can't even complain. But yeah, to me, it's not majorly exciting for me personally. But I'm going to use everything, and I probably will enjoy using all the bits. But yeah, it's not something I would actually probably purchase, to be honest, because I have already tried a few of the oils and things like that. But if you're actually out there and you're wanting to try a few of their different oils, but you don't want to bite the bullet and buy like big packets of them, then this might be for you. I think that's when this is for you, where you want to try a few of their products. That's the way I would look at it. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe down below. And I would love it if you followed my Instagram. And that is linked down below as well. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I will see you in my next advent calendar unboxing. Bye.